Hello, I'm Bill. I am a rising sophomore at International Community School, and for my milestone 2, I will be showing you my project, the Smart Mirror. As you can tell from the difference from my milestone 1, I have a larger display, and I also added a page module and a indicator module to navigate between the pages. And the reason why I added the page module was because there wasn't enough space to display more modules. So with the page module, I'm able to have many pages, which I can put more modules. So on the second page, you can see a glow module, which rotates around every few seconds. And on the third page, I added a text clock module, which shows the time in text, a quote module that shows quotes every few minutes, a puzzle module which shows chess puzzles every single day, and a daily NASA astronomy image module as the background, which shows the last image of taken of astronomy every single day, a planet rise module at the bottom left, and that shows the rise and set times of planets. And on the fourth page, it's blank because I put a reflective film on my mirror to show the reflectiveness of it. There were a few challenges while putting the modules together. For example, the indicator module wasn't showing up at the correct placement or it wasn't showing up at all. This was usually because I put in the wrong position for the indicator module, and after I changed it to, let's say, bottom bar, then it finally shows up at the correct position, which is the bottom of the magic mirror. And like other modules as well, they also have like some of these issues. It's really usually just change the position to the correct placement and then scale it in CSS to scale the position, to scale the size of the module so it isn't too large or too small. But the most challenging part of my milestone 2 was probably putting the film on, because first off, the film, it was slightly larger than my monitor on both width and length. So I had to cut both the top and the bottom just slightly so that it fit on the mirror. And while putting it on, there were many air bubbles that kept popping up, and it was really difficult to like put it on neatly with like no air bubbles. And as you see from a demonstration, even after putting it on, there was still a few air bubbles left on the screen. So for my final milestone, I would want to add voice activation and a camera module, because right now, as you see from a demo, I had to manually control which page I go to on the module, and by using voice activation, I can tell the mirror to go to which page, for example, page 2, and by hearing that, the magic mirror can then respond to what I'm saying and actually go to page 2. And then the camera module, I want to install that because with it, like for example, if I'm looking at my phone, the camera can see that I'm looking at my phone, and then it can respond to that as well by giving me a warning to stop looking at my phone, or like playing a sound from a speaker or something. And this is what I want to do for my final milestone, and this is all I have for milestone 2. Thank you.